Dinesh Singh, Director South Campus, University of Delhi, Professor Umesh Rai, Professor Sylvester Ivanai, Professor Veera Ivanai, Professor Francis Ulgedo, Chairman Governing Body Sri Siddharth Mishra, Dr. P.K. Khurana, Principal, and Dr. Rabi Narayan Kar, Sri Vijay Kaul, Dr. V.K. Anand and other dignitaries to come on the dais and initiate the proceedings of the conference by lighting the lamp, which we in India believe is a symbol of dissipation of knowledge. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your kind gesture. I request all our dignitaries to kindly take their seat. Thank you. Now, may I thank you so much.
Welcome all. Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi, Professor Dinesh Singh, Chairman Governing Body, Shri Siddharth Mishra, Sylvester Ivanai, Associate Professor of Information Systems, ICN Business School, Nancy, France, Dr. Veera Ivanai, Associate Professor of Management Science, Institute National Polytechnique de Lorraine, University of Nancy, France, and Dr. Francis Ulgedo, CIBER Faculty Director at the Scheller College of Business, Georgia Institute of Technology, USA, Conference Patron and College Principal, Dr. P.K. Khurana, Conference Co-Chair and Director, Dr. Rabi Narayan Kar, learned delegates from corporate and academia, dear students, a very good afternoon and greetings on behalf of the conference organizers. I am extremely privileged and honored, as much as I am delighted, to host you in the third edition of this international conference, Managing M&E Dynamics and Sustainable Development, Best Strategies, Practices and Models in New Delhi, India. As is customary here, we greet our guests with respect and plenty of love, and there can be no better way of expressing such emotions but in the form of flowers. Therefore, to begin with, may I request the Chairman, Governing Body, Shri Siddharth Mishra, to welcome the Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi, Professor Dinesh Singh, with a bouquet on behalf of the conference organizers. Thank you very much. Vice Chancellor, Professor Dinesh Singh. Thank you, sir. We have with us conference co-chair, Dr. Sylvester Ivanai, and it's my great pleasure to introduce you to Professor Ivanai. Professor Ivanai has a multidisciplinary background, combining academic scholarship, research, entrepreneurship, and management experience. Currently, he is Associate Professor of Information System at ICN Business School, Nancy, France. He was a visiting scholar in 2004 and 2009 at the College of Management, Georgia Institute of Technology, Atlanta, USA. Dr. Sylvester Ivanai has over 17 years of experience in management education, information systems, development, and entrepreneurship. Dr. Sylvester Ivanai received his Master of Science degree from Polytechnic University of Tirana, Albania, and his doctorate from Institut National Polytechnique de Lorraine of Nancy, France. Sylvester is the co-founder and co-organizer of international conference that's multinational enterprises and sustainable development. I would request the joint coordinator of MEST 2012, Shri Sunil Kumarji, please welcome conference co-chair Dr. Sylvester Ivanai with a bouquet and also present a Sonia on behalf of the organizers. Thank you. May now have the privilege of introducing you to the next co-chair, Dr. Veera Ivanai. Veera Ivanai is an Associate Professor of Management Science in the Chemical Engineering School of the Institut National Polytechnique de Lorraine, University of Nancy, France. She received her PhD in Management Science from the University of Nancy too. Dr. Veera is co-founder and co-organizer of this international conference, Multinational Enterprises and Sustainable Development. May I request the coordinator, MEST 2012, Dr. V.K. Anand, to welcome the co-chair, Dr. Veera, and also present her as souvenir. Dr. V.K. Anand, please. Thank you very much. Professor John McIntyre, Co-Chair and Executive Director, Center for International Business Education and Research, Georgia Tech College of Management, United States of America, could not make it to the conference on health grounds. We wish him well and look forward to seeing him sometime in future. Professor Francis Ulgado, CIBER Faculty Director at the Scheller College of Business, Georgia Institute of Technology, duly represents Professor McIntyre in this conference. Professor Ulgado received his PhD in International Business from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign and an MA and MBA from the University of Hawaii at Manoa. Dr. Ulgado has published in a variety of journals such as the International Marketing Review, the Journal of International Marketing, International Business Review, Journal of Services Marketing, and the Journal of Marketing Management. Currently, Dr. Ulgado serves on the editorial board of the Journal of International Marketing Strategy and the Services Marketing Journal. He is a member of the Academy of International Business. May I request co-chair and conference director, Dr. Rabi Narayan Kar, to welcome Professor Ulgado with a bouquet and also present him a souvenir. Umesh Rai, share. In fact, our guest of honor, Director South Campus University of Delhi, probably is a bit late. He is not here as of now. He is a Professor Rai is a distinguished professor in the Department of Zoology, University of Delhi. He is presently working in the capacity of Director, South Campus, University of Delhi. He did his PhD from Banaras Hindu University in 1986 and went on to join the University of Delhi in 1992. His research interests and areas of specialization is endocrinology and reproductive physiology. Professor Rai has been a fellow of the National Academy of Sciences, council member of the International Federation of Comparative Endocrine Societies, and council member of the Asia and Oceanic Society for Comparative Endocrinology. Professor Roy has authored many books and monograms, published research papers and articles in many peer review. We are awaiting his arrival. We're sorry, probably he's on his way to the conference. And may I now have the privilege of introducing you to the college governing body chairman, Shri Siddharth Mishra. He is the consulting editor of the newspaper Millennium Post and presently is the college governing body chairman. I will request the senior faculty member Shri R.B. Chopra to please come on the dais and welcome the conference advisor Siddharth Mishra ji with a bouquet and a souvenir. Thank you. I request the college principal, who is also the conference patron, to give the welcome address. Dr. P.K. Khurana. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dinesh Singh, Shri Siddharth Mishra, Professor Sylvester Evans, other distinguished co-chairs, Dr. Karg, professors, guests, delegates, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of pleasure for me to extend a very warm welcome to you all this afternoon on the occasion of MESD 2012 Third International Conference on the topic Managing Multinational Enterprises, Dynamics and Sustainable Development, Best Strategies, Practices and Models. The conference is being organized by our college in collaboration with ICN Business School, the Sarfid Université de Lorraine and Center for International Business Education and Research, Georgia Institute of Technology, Atlanta, USA. We are privileged to have with us a distinguished academician, dynamic and visionary Professor Dinesh Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi. We are grateful to you, sir, for having accepted our invitation to inaugurate this international conference. Professor Dinesh Singh is a well-known academician in the field of mathematics the world over. As Vice Chancellor of the University of Delhi, he is in the process of introducing various academic reforms of far-reaching significance to take the University of Delhi to greater heights of academic excellence for all the stakeholders. He is very passionate about improving the teaching-learning process for students and especially those with disabilities. We salute you, sir. On behalf of the college fraternity, I welcome you once again. May I request you all to give a huge round of applause for our Honorable Vice Chancellor. Shri Siddharth Mishra ji, the Chairman Governing Body of the College, has encouraged and guided us in the organization of this conference at every step as its advisor. Besides being an accomplished author, Shri Mishra ji is a leading journalist and a well-known academic in the field of mass communication and journalism. We have also received ample support from Shri Nilendra Yadav, Treasurer of our governing body. We welcome you, sir. We also have amongst us a galaxy of distinguished academicians, Professor P.K. Sahu, Vice Chancellor, Utkal University,
Professor Nutan Rasutra, Principal Government Degree College, Jammu University, Professor N.K. Chadha, Professor Usha Rao, Professor S.K. Vich, Professor Tamim Abdesmed, Dean, ISN Business School, France, Professor Sylvester Evans of ISN Business School, Professor Paul Srivastava, Director, John Monson School of Business, Concordia University, Canada, Professor Dharamdev Sharma from Stockholm School of Economics, Sweden, and Professor João Paulo Vicho from Portugal as distinguished guests amongst us. We are indeed grateful to you all for your gracious presence at the conference. Let's have a big round of applause for all our distinguished guests. Shahid Bhagat Singh Indian College, as a constituent college of the University of Delhi, imparts education in 5 different courses in commerce, humanities, and social sciences. College has more than 2,000 students on its roll. The college has established state-of-the-art computerized library, computer labs, and sports facilities for the students. The Cultural Council of the college has been striving hard to bring to the fore hidden talent of the students in various creative forms. Our college took the initiative and entered into partnership with 3 leading business schools, namely the ICM Business School, the Surfage, University of Lorraine, and the Center for International Business Education Research, Georgia Institute of Technology, USA, for hosting the MEST 2012 Third International Conference. The conference seeks to explore and understand the strategies, practices, and models followed by multinational corporations and how they impact the process of sustainable development. Their corporate strategies can accelerate or slow down the process of sustainable development of the regions as they directly impact the exploitation of natural resources in the host countries. The presentations during the conference will not only highlight the gaps between the practices and discourses by the MNCs as regards their concerns for sustainable development, but also the possible alternative models for doing business to promote sustainable development. The viewpoint of the academia shall be articulated by Professor Paul Srivastava, Professor Dharamdev Sharma, and Professor João Paulo Vicho. The viewpoint of the corporates shall be reflected in the presentations by Alcatel Southeast Asia, FICCI, Delhi Metro Rail, Dakshina Kannada Milk Union, Corporate Communications, SHM, and Mozambique. I would like to appreciate and recognize the contribution of our partner institutions in this venture and make special mention of Indian Council of Social Science Research, principal sponsor for this conference, Union Bank of India, our official bankers, our knowledge partner, Center for Reforms, Development and Justice, media partner, Millennium Post, community-friendly movement, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, Critique Communications for supporting this conference. In the end, I take this opportunity to put on record my appreciation and recognition of the contribution made by all the members of the organizing committee and faculty of the college. I would like to make a special mention of Dr. Ravi Narayankar, Director and Co-Chair of the conference, Shri Vijay Kaul, Organizing Secretary, Dr. V.K. Anand, Coordinator, Shri Sunil Kumar, Joint Coordinator, Shri R.B. Chopra, Dr. S.S. Siddiqui, Shri Y.P. Tyagi, Shri M.C. Sharma, Shri R.P. Tulsan, Dr. V.S. Negi, Dr. C.S. Dubey, Shri Ajay Pratap Yadav, Mr. Rajan, Mr. Amit Soni, Dr. Aruna Sija, Mr. Sundar Singh, and all others for their support in making this event happen. I am equally proud of our team of dedicated students for their support to the organizing committee in making this event happen today. I would also like to put on record my appreciation and recognition of the efforts put in by the non-teaching staff of the college, led by Mr. D.K. Khurana, Administrative Officer of the college. With these words, I once again welcome you all and may I request you once again for a huge round of applause for all of us. Thank you.
I now request our college governing body chairman, Shri Siddharth Mishra ji, kindly share your thoughts on this event today, MEST 2012. Siddharth Mishra ji.
Professor Dinesh Singh, Dr. Khurana,
my colleague on the governing body, Shri Narendra Yadav, the august gathering of academics from India and abroad, Seminar Director Dr. Ravi Narayan Kar, Organizing Secretary Dr. Kaul, Dr. Anand, and all the other members of his organizing team, guests, students, ladies and gentlemen. The chairman of the governing body in such functions finds himself in a very uncomfortable situation, as he perforce partakes the icing on the cake, which otherwise is baked by the hard work of the college faculty and students. I must say that the cake which Dr. Kar and his team under the able tutelage of Dr. Khurana have baked is the best which any bakery in the city could make. This is the first time that I am witness to the hosting of an international conference by a Delhi University college, which is true in both the word and the spirit. This needed humongous effort, which now is fructifying into a great result. I must thank all the benefactors, especially Chief Minister of Delhi, Mrs. Sheila Dikshit, who in her capacity as chairperson of NDMC allowed us the use of this convention center. She all through took a keen interest in the organization of this meet. Unfortunately, she is not here today, as she is advised rest by her doctors following a cardiac procedure. She has sent across her message for the delegates, which would be read by her officer on a special duty. I have always believed that the college is not only about brick and mortar. The soul of an institution lives in its faculty and students. My association with colleges in the east, west and south of the main campus has assured me that if not greater, at least matching talents live in these lesser-known branches of Delhi University. The hosting of NUSD 2012 by Shahid Bhagat Singh Evening College embellishes my point, and it would set even a benchmark for the more known colleges of our holy university. Before I conclude, I would not miss the opportunity to convey to the august gathering of academia here the impressions I have carried back from my frequent visits to rural India, from places I gathered as Azamgarh in Eastern UP to Jhabua in tribal Madhya Pradesh. I want to vouch that despite a very grim picture being depicted, the health of the nation is in fine fettle. This is based on my clinical examination and not on the reports and statistics which seminars and conferences churn out. In this age of mouse work, the research work is for sure leading on the social connect. Proforma is dominating intellectual initiative. I am sure academia doesn't have a vote bank to address, and thus it is at freedom to practice intellectual honesty. This should reflect in the proceedings of the conferences like the one which is being inaugurated today. Before I am leaved for being a heretic, let me take my bow and welcome you all on the behalf of the governing body, faculty, staff and students of Shahid Bhagat Singh Evening College to this endeavor, which I am sure is blessed to be a success. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.
Siddharth Mishra ji, for those very encouraging words and recognition of the efforts made by the organizers to further the academic discourses all around. Thank you very much, sir. I will now invite the OST of the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Satpal ji, to come on the dais and deliver the message to the audience here. Mr. Satpal.
Vice Chancellor, Honorable Principal, Siddharth Mishra ji and all other distinguished guests. Our Chief Minister, Mrs. Dikshit, is recovering fast, and presently she is in the winter session of the Delhi Assembly and is managing the things there in her presence. I am here with her message. She would have loved to be here, and she told me that loss is hers. It gives me immense pleasure to learn that Shahid Bhagat Singh Evening College is organizing the International Seminar on Managing M&E Dynamics and Sustainable Development, Best Strategies, Practices, Modes on 12th December 2012 at New Delhi. The topic of the seminar is relevant televisits as well as important, keeping in view the present economic and social challenges. I welcome all delegates coming from various developed and developing countries to the capital city of Delhi. Capital city of India, New Delhi. Its composite culture, blend of modern and ancient architecture and vast greenery has been attracting large number of people. Further, our country boasts of being the largest democracy in the world. It's generally said that Delhi is mini India, where one can easily feel the culture and traditions of all different states and metros. Delhi today is a world-class city. I am sure that the delegates would have comfortable stay in Delhi apart from enjoying the hospitality of this great city. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Satpalji. We all join here and wish a speedy recovery for the same. And I would now request the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dinesh Singh, to release the abstract of papers. Professor Singh, sir, please. Do the honors.